Hi, this is Mrs. Robertson, and now we're going to finish the study guide by doing problems 8, 9, and 10 in this video. It says the dot plot below shows the total attendance of a home basketball games during the year 2012. Now you'll notice that there are tick marks, but they don't have numbers. You look 15 to 20, so each mark represents a digit. So this will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, this will be 26, that's 31, At any time, if I'm going too fast in this video, you may pause to get caught up to writing down what I am doing so that you can get it on your paper. Okay, here we have number of people, and the dots are above it for the basketball games attendance. Find the following measures to describe the center and spread of the data. Okay, on this problem, your minimum is your smallest value with a dot over it. So your minimum is 16. Your maximum is the largest value with a dot over it, and that is 36. Your mode is the number that occurs the most. In this dot plot, you have two modes. You have 16 and 22. They both have 4 dots above them. Your median. Now this is sometimes a little harder to do. I'm going to first count all my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's an even number, so when I divide it by 2, I get 15. Now with an even number of dots, that means you're going to have 2 middle numbers. So it's going to be your 2 15s. So when you get to the 15th dot from the left and the 15th dot from the right, going left, those will be your median. So let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 15 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are our 2 middle numbers, and it's 23 and 24. 23 plus 24 divided by 2. That will equal 47 divided by 2 is 23.5, or 23.5 is your median. Many of you already knew that 23.5 or 23.5 is halfway between 23 and 24. Now we have to find our Q1 and our Q3. All right, so with these, the lower dot is going to go with the lower group, and we have 15 numbers there, and the upper dot is going to go with this group. All right, so we have to find our middle number in the lower group, and our middle number, which is pink, and our middle number in the green group. So we have 15. Half of 15 is going to be 7.5. So the 8th dot is going to be your middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and my Q1 is going to be 20. Your Q1, the middle number, is 20. Now, if you like to do this where you list the numbers, that is fine. I will show you how to do it that way in just a moment. Now for Q3, it'll be our 8th dot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if it's this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it is going to be 30. Now, the range is your maximum minus your minimum. So 36 minus 16 is 10. The range is 10. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. That'll be 30 minus 20, which equals 10. There's a problem here. Most of you noticed this before I went on. 36 minus 16 is not 10. It is 20. Make sure you fix that, kids. It is 20. All right. Now, let's say you wanted to do your Q1 and Q3 by listing all the numbers and doing it that way. You could do that. You would list 16 4 times, 17 3 times, 20 once, 2 21s, 4 22s, a 23, 2 24s. Now the hardest part about this is making sure you don't skip any numbers. 26, 2 28s, a 29, 2 30s, a 31, 2 33s, a 34, I'm going to have to go to the side, 2 35s, and a 36. Okay, then once again, when you find your middle number, it's the 15th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So those are the two. What's halfway between a 23 and a 24? 23 and a half. That's your median. Then you need to find your middle number from the lower group and your middle number from your upper group. And in this one, the middle number here is 20. And the middle number on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's 30, giving you your Q3 and your Q1. That's just another way of doing it instead of the box using the dot plot. Now we are ready to create a box plot to display the data given in problem number 8. All right, so our minimum is 16. I'm going to put a dot over the 16. My maximum is 36. I put a dot over where 36 would be. My median is 23.5. 21, 22, 23.5 is going to be in between there. That's my median. Q1 is 20. Put a dot over 20. Q3 is 30. Now, my Q1 and Q3 make the box. My median is inside the box. And then we have the whiskers. And there you have your box and whisker plot. Now, or sometimes referred to as a box plot. Now it says, describe the advantages and disadvantages of your box plot representation of basketball attendance data. All right, when we do this problem, you're going to look at your quartiles and your minimum and maximums. So, in a dot plot, which is up at the top, you can find all the landmarks. With a dot plot, you can find I would rather say all of the measures of center. Find all the measures of center. What does that mean? You can find the mean, you can find the median, and you can determine if there is a mode. By looking, here we go, so you can see that. So with the dot plot, you can find all the measures of center, mean, median, and mode. And yes, with this plot up here, you can find all of that. In a box plot, you only know what the median is. You're not able to find the mean or the mode. The nice thing about a box plot, at a glance, you can tell where the majority of your data is. The nice thing about a box plot, a box plot shows where the majority, that means most, of the data is located. You know that 50% of the data is in the box, 25% above, and 25% below, just at a glance. When you glance at the dot plot, it's hard to tell where 50% of your data is and where the upper and lower 25% is. So that would be considered the advantages and disadvantages of box plots and dot plots. There you go. Have a good evening, and I hope you study before the test tomorrow. Goodbye.